Hello students, I hope so you all are healthy and fine. In our previous class, we had done the present tenses. So today we are going to do the past tenses with their uses. Now students, past is very important. Past means the action which has already been taken place. जो हो चुका है, जो बीत चुका है, which we have already done. Now even these past tenses are used when we are writing essay or we are describing something which you have already seen. You share your experience with your friends. So it should always be in past tense क्योंकि वो चीज़ तुम पहले कर चुके हो, देख चुके हो. So how to use it? Where we are going to use the past tense? What are the words we use in past tense? We are going to see that. What we do is mostly we describe our personal experiences as well as the things that had happened to other people जो पहले लोगों के साथ हो चुकी है. Like history, it is all about past. It tells about our great warriors, how they had fought with the other people, with the other states, with the other kings, then the freedom fighters, how we got freedom. So that all is gone in past. So now there are 4 past tenses and 9 total ways to use the past tense. Now which are the 4 past tenses? First is the simple past. Simple past means where you have a simple base verb and change the word form to the past form. For example, the scientists conducted an experiment. Now over here scientist is what? It is a plural form. So over here conducted, ed लगेगा. They thought the experiment would prove their theory. They thought, सोचा था, like that. Then next is excuse me. Next comes past continuous. In past continuous, the past form of to be. To be will change to was or were plus verb and ing. Remember that. Like, I was trying to fix the car this morning, but I am not done with the repairs yet. So, I was trying. So, was plus ing. Trying is the verb try and you have added ing to it. So I was trying. I was still working on my homework. So was is been added and work. Work is a verb plus ing we have added to it. So that becomes a past continuous with was or were. If was is with one person, where it is a singular. If it would have been many people, then they were still working. So it will become were will be used for plural and was is used with singular and ing with both. Then when we are describing a past action that was interrupted by another action. The radio station was broadcasting music when the music was interrupted by an important announcement. Now over here also the radio station was broadcasting. Broadcast is a verb where we are adding ing and was is written over there because radio station, it is a singular form. Now over here a action is been interrupted means रुकावट आ रही है उसमें. Why? Because an important announcement was to be done. So this is the interruption in it. Then I was trying to sleep when I heard a knock at my door. I was trying to sleep. This is one sentence, but then there is one more interruption in it. When I heard a knock at my door. Then use 3 is when describing two past events that took place at the same time. दो events एक साथ हो रही हो. to describe the longer of the two events. So where we use a simple past for the shorter event. जैसे कि दो events हैं, जो longer है उसके use करेंगे हम ing लगा के, and the second one जो shorter event है उसमें simple past. For example, Marco Polo contacted Chinese merchants and leaders while he was traveling the world. So here Marco Polo contacted ed लगा, then Chinese merchants and leaders while he was traveling, वहाँ पे ing लगेगा the world, because world जो है is a longer event. She burned herself while she was cooking dinner. So over here also two events have been taken. Cooking भी हो रही है, साथ के साथ हाथ भी जल गया, like that. Then comes describing a past action that took place in a specific time period and may have continued afterwards. जो was being done before and still is being taken forward, continue हो रहा है. The science team was conducting research as recently as last month. So still they are conducting it. जो वो लोग पहले से start की हुई थी and last month से, and they are conducting it. Many students were feeling depressed in February. So use of past tense over here is in continuous form. कि were feeling depressed means कि they were still पहले से अब तक depressed feel हो रहे हैं, like that. So in this activity may have continued after the time period mentioned in the sentence. So you can use may also in the sentence. Then comes a past perfect. Past perfect means where we use the form had plus past form of a verb. For example, when describing a series of action, use past perfect to describe the action that happened first. So जो action first happen हुआ है उसको हम पहले describe करते हैं. I had gone home, then I read a book and fell asleep. So first what he did, he went home, and after that he read a book and fell asleep. So the action जो पहले हो रहा है उसको describe पहले करेंगे हम. I had gone home, then I read a book and fell asleep. The lawyers had slowly worked towards an agreement that was acceptable for everyone. Then they printed the agreement and gave it to their client. The lawyers had slowly worked means पहले काम किया उसके ऊपर, फिर agreement के ऊपर, and then accept किया by everyone. So the work which is done before is being said before. जो काम पहले करते हैं उसको पहले बोलते हैं, and then after that the work which is done we say it afterwards. When you are describing two past actions that take place at the same time, अब two actions जो same time पे ली जा रहे होते हैं तो हम उसको पहले simple past में explain करेंगे या past continuous में explain करेंगे. Like Marco Polo had contacted Chinese merchants and leaders while he traveled the world. So over here also पहले उसने contact किया travelers को and while traveling the world. So दो काम एक साथ हो रहे हैं. Same way, the science team had conducted research as recently as last month. So the team has done the work before. So students, we'll do it till here today, and next we'll do in a next class. The other things we'll discuss in a Zoom class. Thank you.